Hello guys, so today is day 37. The problem is here spirally traversing a matrix. The question is so simple. We have given a rectangular matrix mat of size n by m. Our task is to return an array while traversing matrix in spiral form. So spiral form is nothing but you have to traverse like this way. First the complete row, then complete column, then the bottom row, then the first column like this way in a circular manner that all the elements we have to traverse. Okay, so it's a spiral matrix for this. Okay, so here I am traversing it, and here at each index I have written the ith and jth index. So in the first column, first row itself, the ith value is constant. You can see 0, 0, 0, 0. Only the second part that is jth part is moving, right? So we just have to make sure here that ith row ith value is constant. Okay, and jth value is traversing from the 0 to m. Okay, so we are traversing 0 to n and ith value is 0. So we just incremented it. Okay, ith value is incremented. Okay, so here which is the constant value that is incremented, right? So we are incrementing that value till m, right? So we have incremented, and here the last value which is there, that is constant. So we are putting all the constant value at the end. Again we have to traverse this, the last row as well. So we are traversing it. While traversing, you can see the last, that is jth value, is decrementing and ith value is constant. Okay, reverse of this the first thing, and reverse of this the first thing is here as well. As you can see, jth value is constant, ith value is decrementing. So what we have to do, we just have to return it down the first scenario, that is we have to travel from 0 to n index, and while traversing we just have to update ith value. Okay, and the first ith value is constant, the jth value is incrementing, right? So for this I will explain you the code which I have written. You can see it here. I am traversing from zeroth value, left is 0 till n. Okay, so here the right value is 0. So the first time all these things is traverse, right? And we just have to increment the right value, that is ith value, right? Here after this we have to just incrementing the right value, that is ith value. Okay, so after incrementing we just have to traverse the another, that is from this value to this end. So the jth value is constant, so n minus 1 is constant. We just have to change the ith value. While changing, we just have to make sure that we are traversing from right to m. Okay, and at the end we have to decrement it. Let's ignore this condition. After some time, okay, we can just traverse this. As you can, I said before that while traversing this way we have to just reverse the first row, right? So while reversing n minus 1 to left, we just have to reverse this thing. Okay, and here m minus 1 and I. Okay, and same way the other as well. So we just have to reverse this thing. Okay, m minus 1 greater than right, and here we just have to update the ith value and left value jth value is constant, right? And we have to increment the left. Okay, this condition is for if there are few elements which are in even number of columns or rows. Suppose we have just these two rows and four columns. So in that case, it will not travel all these things. Because of that, we have used this if condition. Okay, if right is less than m, then only we have to traverse. If it is greater, then we don't have to traverse it. Like this way. Okay. The time complexity for this is n into m. Okay, so we are traversing each element in the matrix. So because of that, you can see this is the first for loop, the second for loop, and like this way. Okay, thank you.